Hi, I'm Arturo Araya, President of Citywide of Metropolitan, New Jersey. Here at Citywide, our goal is simple: to be your one point of contact for all your building maintenance needs. We represent our clients in a way that makes you feel like our staff is an extension of your management team. We are dedicated to making a difference in the lives of our clients by taking away the headaches and frustrations they struggle with daily, and that is reflected by our higher than industry average retention rate. I look forward to meeting you, and I promise you will see a difference when you partner with Citywide.
Citywide is your locally owned building maintenance solution. We clean over 100 million square feet per day, which translates into more than 20,000 hours of maintenance and janitorial services every night. Citywide manages building maintenance services for more than 4,000 facilities nationwide. Our average client relationship lasts at least 8 years, and our average client retention rate is greater than 90%. Janitorial services is our specialty, but we can help with anything from lawn and landscaping to handyman services to parking lot sweeping and striping, and so much more. On average, we provide 4.6 services per client. Fewer vendors means fewer salespeople and fewer invoices, and more time to focus on what you do best. Our mission is to provide world-class building maintenance solutions that save time and solve problems, and we've been doing that since 1961. With more than 50 years in business, we have the experience you can count on. We are Citywide Maintenance, and we are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Now is the time to add Citywide to your facilities management team.